Hey everybody, Mr. Vader here. I've got the last two boxes that the wife got me for Christmas of 2017 Optic Football. The other boxes we've gotten the Leonard Fournette rookie jersey, Zay Jones, O.J. Howard, and Taywan Taylor. We're trying to hopefully get a Packers rookie with a jersey card in it, so that would be really cool to get that. Today, for this last little bit, we've got with me
Kenny Cringe.
Kenny Cringe is here. I'll put his link in the YouTube's description in the bottom so you can check out his channel. He came over for Christmas. He met out like a bandit, like they always do every year. So we're gonna get right into these. I'm gonna open one. And then
I'll open the other.
He'll open the other one, and we'll do that. So which one do you want to open, left or right?
I'll open the left one.
You open that one? All right, so
I'm gonna... left one's gonna give me something.
All right, so I'm going to do this one then. All right. Pull this plastic off. Throw that over there. All right.
Let's see what we get today.
Let's see what we get today. Like I said, this will be the last box of Christmas packs that we open today. And like I said, there should be one memorabilia card in here. Should be. It says there is one on the box. So
imagine we got right off the bat.
Alright, so we got Larry Fitzgerald, Marshawn Lynch, the rookies, Juju Smith-Schuster. Looks like a prism of that. Is that a prism? Yep, prism.
These look cool.
These are really cool. Evan Ingram, rated rookie, pack one.
Nothing good.
No, that Juju Smith-Schuster card's pretty good.
See, I think memorabilia cards are good.
Well, the memorabilia cards are the good ones, but not all the cards that are not memorabilia cards are bad.
Sure.
All right, Jameis Winston, Jordan Matthews. We got a rated rookie prism of D.D. Westbrook, and a Jamal Adams rookie card.
Pretty nice.
That's nice. This is our memorabilia card. So two to the front. Let's see, we got DeAndre Hopkins prism, Kenny Galladay rated rookie, Rob Gronkowski, and our mem card is number 19 rookie threads for the Titans, Taywan Taylor. So this is our second Taywan Taylor card.
I actually want to touch the jersey.
There you go. It's actually part of the jersey.
That's neat.
So that's our first mem card there. Let's see what else we get out of this pack.
Is that at least one?
Yeah, there's one mem card in each box. So Andrew Luck. Oh, there was a Randall Cobb card. I don't have that one yet. Cool.
That's great.
We've got a pink Solomon Thomas rookie card and DeMarcus Walker rookie card.
Pretty good so far?
Yeah, not bad. I mean, I already had that Taywan Taylor. I wish I would have gotten a different jersey card, but...
So you already have the same jersey?
Yeah, I've already got that same card.
Well, you can sell it.
Yeah, I could. Todd Gurley, Ben Roethlisberger. We got a Gridiron Kings, Donta Foreman for the Texans, prism. And a C.J. Beathard rated rookies.
Last pack before I come in.
Last pack before he comes in. And we've got Jay Ajayi, Sam Bradford pink, Nathan Peterman prism,
That one looks cool.
and a Solomon Thomas rookie card. So that's box one. That's Dad's box so far. Let me see if the jerseys are different. See the jerseys are a little bit different because this is the one I had before. You can see it's got the holes in it. And then this is the one I got now. So the jerseys are slightly different. But I would like to have had a different player since I already have a Taywan Taylor. So, but anywho.
Tell you what, we could do a giveaway for that.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'll probably do something about eBay. All right, so Kenny Cringe is gonna come in. He's gonna open this box, and
Dad's gonna help me do it.
Yeah.
What he does best.
What? Just stand here and look stupid?
Alright, so we've got the
Plastic.
plastic to come off here.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
There you go.
Alright, so we got the box. And we should be able to get it open with
6 packs.
6 packs.
That's it.
First pack today will be this one. I could open them like I did
Get this
Pokemon.
trash out of the way.
Like if I could open them like I did Pokemon cards. Alright, here we go. We've got Antonio Brown.
Cool.
Damn.
Ezekiel Elliott.
Ezekiel Elliott. That one's.
What does that say?
JJ's.
JJ SWAT. So that's a JJ Watt, aka insert, is what that is. That's a pretty cool card.
It's a pretty cool card.
Yeah.
Put that here. And we got Curtis Samuel.
Curtis Samuel, rated rookie. You need help with that?
Yeah. I can't do these as well as I do Pokemon cards for some reason.
These are a little bit tougher to open. Here, let me help you.
Yeah, look at this stuff.
Yeah, I'll get the other one started since you're weak and can't open cards.
Yep. Let's see, we got Brandon Marshall, Mike Wallace, Reuben Foster, Jordan Willis, and then this.
That's trash.
Then we got trash.
Right, I started them all.
Alright, next one up.
Don't bend my cards.
I'm not trying to. We got Des Bryant, Marvin Jones Jr.,
Cool.
Noah Browns,
Pink.
Pink. That actually looks pretty neat.
Yeah, they're neat.
We got
Dwayne Smoot.
Dwayne Smith.
I did. Yeah, back into it again.
Next one. We got Lamar Miller.
Terrell Pryor Sr.
Yep.
Ooh, throwback Cam Newton. That's nice.
That looks cool. And then
D.D. Westbrook.
I think we have that one.
We might have already gotten it.
And the last 2 packs.
I open up stuff I get. Buy cards or I can trade and sell or whatever.
We got Alan Hearns, Travis Kelce.
Yep. Peak. Malik Hooker. Cool. Marlon Humphrey.
And then trash.
Alright, so this one should have the jersey card in it.
Yeah, it feels bigger. So
what you do is you take 2 from the back and put them in front.
2 from the back.
Yep.
Put them in front.
That's what you got.
We got
Kelvin Benjamin Prism.
Oh, I filled the jersey.
Davis Webb. Richard Sherman. Alright, now do the slow reveal.
Slow reveal.
Yep, slow reveal.
Oh, it's upside down.
Alright, oh, there you go. Alright, slow reveal. Who is it?
Slow reveal number 1.
Rookie threads. For the Bears. Mitchell Trubisky. Heck yeah, dude.
There it is. The jersey and everything.
That's the,
No, I'd never think I'd touch a Bears jersey.
But he was, I want to say, number 2 draft pick this year. I can't remember.
So,
but anyway, so yeah, we got a Trubisky card. Even though it's a Bears card, we got a Trubisky. And I'm not upset about that.
And these are the 2 jersey cards we got today.
Yep.
Hope you guys will subscribe for the next video where Dad will be opening more cards or playing something.
Yeah, not sure what I'm gonna open next. I know the end of January Topps Series 1 2018 comes out.
Yeah.
But I don't know what I'm gonna open, if I'm gonna get anything between then and there. So
yeah.
Till the next video, subscribe to Kenny Cringe in the description. Subscribe to me, like the video, tell your friends. If you want any of the cards you see here,
be sure to leave a comment saying that you want these cards.
Or you can just email directly, which will be in the description as well. And until then, till the next video, I'm Mr. Vader. Peace.